Drink this in the morning to lose weight quickly without exercise. Do you know that there are many ways to lose weight quickly besides exercise? Today, we're going to share with you a simple tip that can help you lose weight quickly without exercise. It is a weight loss drink created by 100% natural and safe ingredients. With this simple drink, you can get rid of excess weight and show off an enviable body line in a short time without having to make too much sacrifice. First, take one medium-sized pineapple. Peel it and cut the pineapple into small pieces. Pineapple is one of the most suitable fruits for diets as it is rich in liquids and low in calories. It is rich in vitamin C that can help you fight and prevent many diseases. Moreover, pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain that's good for your digestion. Remember that having good digestion will prevent waste and toxins from building up, which could otherwise cause inflammation and extra kilos. Next, extract the gel from 200 grams of fresh aloe vera leaf by removing its green skin. Thanks to the presence of vitamin B, aloe vera helps convert the fat stored in your body into energy and aids weight loss. It also helps in boosting metabolism, which further enables the body to burn more fat. Now, cut the aloe vera gel into small pieces. The next ingredient in this recipe is cucumber. Take one cucumber and cut it into pieces. Because the ingredient has high water content and is low in calories, they are very easy to digest and can keep you hydrated. When you eat cucumber, it can help you feel full, and you avoid overeating or binging on sweets and snacks. Next, you will need one apple and peel it. Apple helps regulate intestinal transit as it is rich in fiber. It provides significant amounts of fiber, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and essential nutrients to help boost metabolism and burn more fat. After peeling, remove the core and seeds of the apple. Then, cut the apple into small pieces. At this time, prepare a blender and add all ingredients into it. Finally, add 250 ml of water. Turn on the blender and blend well until a smooth mixture is obtained. Finally, pour the drink into a glass and enjoy immediately. Here's how to use this drink to lose weight quickly. Consume this drink for 5 days, once a month. The drink should be consumed in the morning and on an empty stomach, and just 1 glass a day. You can easily lose weight in a short time.